Just meeting. Okay, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, great. Okay, so for today's meeting, well, actually, all of our meetings will be just a short meeting since all of the discussions are already done. Okay, well, to make it simple, just a disclaimer. So this course came from certain Lingan. Okay, so let's just say that 95% of the content came from his canvas itself. Okay, so he's the one who created this one. I just asked him to give this one to me, and then so he allowed me to whatever he created will be used to my class. Okay, so yeah, just to make everything clear. Okay, so I just edited some of the information in here, so the name, etc., etc. Okay, so as you guys can see, there are some new things that you will maybe see. So we still have the welcoming remark. We still have the we don't have this one before, so this is oops. So this is new maybe. Well, just a short information. Okay, and then the course format. So this one before is a course overview or course. What is this one before? I forgot, but this one is changed into a course format. Okay, and yeah, still the same, but just a longer message. Okay, we're saying that everything is ODL. Okay, and the course overview is also edited a little bit, wherein it's just the description, and then the course learning outcomes were removed. Okay, and then we now have two additionals, wherein we have available ebook for this course, and then we have netiquette guide for online courses. So just check those links, okay, for those two additional things in here. Well, anyway, this one is actually can be also found on the syllabus. It's just that it's added on the homepage. Okay, so yeah, and we have this guide to let's say first year students, but since you guys are already second year or third years, so you guys don't need to watch this video anymore. Okay, so you can just ignore this one, and everything is still the same. So we still have this instructor's profile, the syllabus, the modules, except for this one, I guess. But before I think we already have this one. It's just that on the revised version, they remove this one, and then they bring this one back again. Okay, so this first term, second half. Okay. Anyway, so again, of course, I will leave the reading part to you guys. I won't be reading them one by one or everything. Okay, so for the syllabus, so there's also a new format. Okay, so we have an additional like a prerequisite and then the contact hours per week. Okay, and then the course credits is now at the bottom. Okay, so before it's up here, but now it's at the bottom. Anyway, so still have the same thing. We have the course description, course learning outcomes, course content. Okay, it's just that there's an additional message right here saying that midterm examination, of course, after week 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so it would be your midterm exam, and then week 3, 4, week 4, 5, and then 6, and then final examination. And then the basis of evaluation are still the same, and then the grading system still the same. Okay, and then the available ebook is still the same. It's still right here. Okay, so I hope you guys have already read this one, or at least visited or checked the let's say syllabus. So are we clear so far regarding with the new things with the homepage and syllabus? Hello, hello. Okay. So I didn't introduce myself anymore since as you guys uh can already see this is my name, and there's nothing new to me. So whatever I introduced way back 2 years ago, it's still the same. It's just maybe my haircut, my I don't know, maybe my voice since I'm getting older. So everything is still the same. So if you guys want to know something, well, maybe you can ask me as long as it's not too personal, okay? Well, all of the basic information can be found on the instructor's profile anyway, okay? And I'm pretty sure that most of you already know, okay? So just check this link. Well, it's still the same, so that is why I didn't mention this one anymore, since whatever is the content of this one way back like last year or 2 years ago, it's still the same. Okay, so nothing has changed. Anyway, so let's now proceed to the modules. So there is also a new thing in here, which is the week 0. So before, it's just the getting to know you better, but we have an additional like pages in here, like course information video or course guide. So supposedly, this course guide will be done on our very first day of class. Okay, but since the date of examination of last week Monday Thursday were moved into another day, so we wasn't able to meet at that time. So that is why this course information video or course guide will be today. Okay, so that is what I'm showing to you guys right now. Okay, I'm guiding you to what's new, okay, or what you guys need to know with this course. Okay, anyway, so I'll just upload maybe here later on. So just put right here the recorded Zoom meeting. Okay, so I did put the intro to operating systems, so just to give you guys an idea what is this subject all about. Okay, anyway, so you can also find that one link on the watch videos right here. Okay, so there's one video right here just to give you an idea what is this course all about. Okay, and all of the links now will be found on this page right here under week 0. Okay, so that is why we have week 1, week 2, and then week 3, and so on. I will add the week 4, 5, and 6 right here. Okay, but for now, these are the dates where we are, when we are going to meet. So the date is October 18, and the next meeting will be October 25. Okay, and then next meeting will be October 28th, and then after that, so I hope you guys can see this one. October 28th is our third week, but we won't meet on November 1 anymore, since as you guys may already know, it's holiday. And for the Thursday, so as usual, I'm giving this one as your your free time. Okay, so what ever you want to do on that day. So if you want to finish all the the activities, if you want to review, so it's up to you. Okay, so it's your free time anyway for this November 4. And then exam schedule. So November 8 will be your midterm exam. Okay, so all in all, we'll only meet 3 times for this week 1, 2, and 3. So it's like one time a week. Okay, so I hope we're clear with that one, so that if you guys have a question or clarification maybe, so just prepare them, and then whenever we will meet this date, October 25 or October 28, so you can ask me at that time. Okay, or you can just simply message me if you want. Okay, but if you want a, let's say, clearer explanation maybe with the demo, well, we can just do that one on these dates, October 25 or October 28. Okay, anyway, I think you guys won't be having a problem on this course, since everything is well made. Okay, so Certain Dingan is really good in finding good resources. Okay, not just a resources that we can find out, like a common resources, but it's like one of the brilliant resources. Yeah. So as usual, we have here the module overview for week 1. So is there a new thing in here? Well, I think everything is still the same. So we still have the topic learning outcomes. We have the list of topics. So I won't be reading them anymore. So I'll leave the reading part to you guys. And we have here the lecture presentation, of course. So we have two PDFs for that one, or we have two modules. And then we have here the video materials. So these are the complete say discussion, okay, for this two modules. Okay, oops. This module intro to OS, and then module computer system organization. And then for the last one, we have here the reading materials. Okay, so if you need more information, if just in case this one is not enough, then you can visit this one maybe. So this another articles talking about introduction to operating system. Okay, so are we clear so far up to this point? Any questions so far?
None, sir.
What about the others?
None.
Okay, so we're almost done. So after the module overview, so everything is the same. So we have the learning materials. So you can just click this link right here to lead you to another page. So you can download your own, your own copy of this module. And then we have the open educational resources, wherein all of the video materials will be uploaded in here. So yeah, everything is still the same. So whatever you guys have found on the module overview, video materials, it's also here. And then later on, I will be adding another link, which is this one, recorded Zoom meeting. Okay. This one is for those who are not here, okay, who are not present. And then we have practice exercises, of course. So most of them came from pro props and then quizzes and MCQs learned. So those three websites are really, really helpful and reliable when it comes to introduction of anything. Okay, so just check those links to enhance your knowledge, okay, or to practice what you've learned from these modules. And then as usual, you're going to have, say, this is not a quiz, but this is a research break. Okay, so the due date of this one will be on October 25. So you guys have 1 week from now. So just check this one out. And so here's the instruction. So I will leave the reading part to you guys. But there is one thing that bothers me on how we're going to solve this thing. So it says here, note no duplications of OS topics. So there are hundreds or thousands of operating systems out there. So yeah, the one that we're using commonly is of course Windows. Some are maybe Mac OS, some are maybe Linux, but there are hundreds more, okay, different operating system. So maybe I'll just create a discard or ano ba kaya? So later on, I don't know how to make a remedy on this one, since well, if we are only in the face-to-face class, so I'll let you guys search on the internet, and then it would be a first come first serve basis. So maybe I will just create a discussion type wherein it's also first come first serve basis. So you are going to type your the topic that you are going to describe. So two operating system for PCs, and one operating system for mobile. Okay, so later on, just wait for my announcement. So it's a first come first serve basis. So as early as of now, I would like you guys to search an operating system that you're going to research about. So here are the things that you guys need to include on that research study. Okay. Well, never mind this one. I am pretty sure that you guys already know how to convert from Word to PDF. Well, just in case you don't know, so you can check this. Okay, so the one that you're going to submit on this individual research work is a PDF. Okay, so it should be in a PDF format. So this is a 70 points. Oops. This is a 70 points research work. And then I haven't prepared, or I actually cannot think of a topic for now. So maybe later on, maybe tomorrow. Okay. So I'm still looking for a good, say facts regarding with this intro to OS, and then if I'll be able to come up with a question wherein you can share your opinion or uh, knowledge about that, then I'll just announce it later on. Okay. Once this case study or discussion part is ready. So for now, it's unpublished, so you won't be seeing this one for now. But later on, I will publish this one once this one is ready. Okay. So are we clear so far? Any question or clarification up to this point?
Not always.
Yes, Mr. Agustin. I think I heard someone. Okay. One last thing. So just read this guide to consultation. So you will see when is my free time. So just check this one out. And then this one, academic honor pledge. So I'm not sure where this Google form will be saved. Okay, but for now, so I would like you guys to pledge, just to say that everything that you will submit or you will do on this course is your own work. Okay, so it's like say this is like a contract or an agreement. Okay, that all of your work is really your work. That one didn't came from your classmate. Okay, so yeah, just to make sure that you're not going to cheat. Okay, and you're not going to plagiarize. You're not going to do some dishonesty. Okay, etc. etc. So there's a lot of things that you guys need to agree with this one. So not just one, but like five or six or seven. Okay, so just read them, and then just to make just this is just like a warning to see that uh, you promise or you agree that you won't do dishonesty, or you won't uh, cheat, or whatever is that bad thing that you're going to do while taking this course. Okay, so yeah, just pledge, okay, on this Google form, okay, and then submit it. And then what else? Yeah, one more thing. So to those who haven't submitted their 1 minute video or their introduction introduction video, so please submit them as early as of now, or as early as you can, since there's now only 3 days. Okay, and this is also 20 points. This is also a like an additional points, just in case your score is not enough to pick you past this course. Well, I'm in doubt that someone will fail this course, since this one is quite easy anyway. Okay, so it's like more on application, okay, or memorization, or uh, description type. And we are in a uh, call this one online format, so you can just search that description of that one, or that the meaning of that one, then you'll already get the correct answer. So the same with this individual research work. Okay, so this is like a bonus already, bonus 70 points, as long as you were able to answer all of the question. Okay, so what else? So I think that's it for now. So if ever there is an addition, okay, or some maybe change, so I'll just update you guys. But for now, that's it for the course uh, introduction. So anyone who has a question or clarification so far?
None, sir.
All right, great then. Okay, so if you guys don't have a question or clarification, so yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate it. And yeah, happy lunch and keep safe.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Anong sikreto ng mga gwapo? Patulog ka lang
Sir.
ng maaga.
Sir, may tanong po ako.
Yes. Ano yan?
Sir, about po dun sa individual research. Paano po
Mhm.
magunahan ulit?
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Reservation po. Reservation po ng topics.
Ayun, gagawan ko na lang siguro ng discussion type. Magko-comment na lang kayo dito mamaya. Gagawa ko ng another page. So, online na lang siguro kayo ng basta mag-online na kayo. Hindi ko sure kung kailan ko siya maipapublish mamaya. So, maybe 30 minutes from now para makapagpa-reserve na kayo. Okay,
Thank you po, sir.
ng mga topics na gusto niyo. Alright.